zone. So now here we have another zone. You put the zone there. That's another zone. So you can connect. You can see if it is connecting. You can see it is connecting with that one. Yes, my people, it's your mentor Abissons, and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to show you how to identify the zones correctly in the binary options market. So if you are a beginner and you don't know how to identify zones in the market, then this video is for you. Make sure you watch it to the end, and in case you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe as well, so that anytime I upload videos like this, you're gonna be the first person to be notified. So without wasting much of your time, let's jump into the video. All right, welcome back, guys. So now first of all, I'll use 1 minute time frame and a 2 minutes expiration time as usual. And now let me show you how to identify the zones in the market. So for you to identify the zones in the market, first of all, you need to look at the candlestick behavior. So if you look at the candlesticks, you will see the candlesticks communicating with you. They will be telling you something about the price of this asset. Let's say, for example, we are at USDTRY. So now you can see the price is falling, and when the price is falling down, the candlesticks are forming in different shapes. So now you can see we have big candlesticks here and small candlesticks with long wicks and candlesticks with short wicks. So they tell us something. These candlesticks are talking to us. There are some information that they are giving us with their formation, okay, how they form. So now if you look at the candlesticks, you'll see they have wicks, okay? We have some wicks here. So the wicks are showing us when the market was rejected from a certain area, okay? So this one tells us the market was rejected from this area and went up, all right? Same to this one, all right? Same to this one, the market was rejected and went down. So these rejections are the ones which tells us when the where the price was rejected, all right? So now you can see also here the price is getting rejected, you see? Yeah, so they are leaving wicks. So these wicks talks a lot in the market. So you need to focus with the wicks when you want to identify a zone, because the market reverses from the zone, all right? Yeah, so let's analyze the chart by using the candlesticks wicks, all right? So I need to cover this wick, this one, and when I cover this wick, now you can see this is a zone, all right? It will cover the whole zone. So now this is a zone. So you can see the reaction at the zone. The market has been reacting in that zone because of the reversal points. That's a reversal point, all right? Even a trend line, you can use a trend line as well to mark the reversal points. You can see, so we just cover the wicks with the trend line, and you will see we had what? We had a nice reversal zone there. So you can see there was a reversal here, and another one here. Okay, so we are expecting some reactions in future, because we have already known this one is a zone, right? So that's how you identify a zone. You just look at the wicks. So let's look for another chart and reanalyze again and analyze again. So now, if you look at this chart, this one is USD MXN. So if I look at this chart, I'll see some weeks here. You'll see this one. There's a week here, weeks. So I just cover the weeks, all right, and draw a zone connecting with the week. So now you can see this one is a zone because of these weeks. These weeks are the reversal points there, you can see. So now that's a zone. You can do another one here. We have another one here. This is another one. This is another zone, and this one, all right. This one cover the weeks. So this one is a zone, all right. So when the market comes here, you can see it is reacting, okay. It comes here, it bounces, comes here, it bounces. So it comes back again, we expect another reaction, and as well it can break the zone like it did here. So you never know what will happen exactly, but we just predict according to the market behavior, because the market is always repeating the behavior, right? Or there are some patterns that the market is always repeating. So you take advantage of those patterns. So now here we can see these weeks here, okay. This one shows us that the market was rejected from this area, all right. So now we can confirm from the back and see if there is something. Let's see. I think we had something here, but yeah, we had something here. That's why we have something there, I think so. So this is a zone because the market reversed from this place like 2 times. So you are expecting a reaction when the market reaches there, okay. See, this is a zone, and you can see the market is already reacting to the zone. So this is a zone because of this wick and this one. So this is a zone. So I'm expecting a reaction when the market reaches there, right? So you can place a trade by taking advantage of the reaction in the zone. So now here we have another zone. You put the zone there. That's another zone. So you can connect. You can see if it is connecting. You can see it is connecting with that one. So this one is already did not enter the zone properly. I could have placed a down trade. Let's look for another one. So now here we have another market, but this one is a ranging market. You can see the price has been ranging here within this area. Yeah, so the price has been ranging, right? Yeah, that's been ranging up, down, up, down, up, down. So that's not a good market to trade on. That one we have already analyzed. Okay, so if you look at this one, you'll see this one I can place, expecting the price to go up. Okay, why? Because if you look at this chart, you will see that rectangle. Let's see. So you will see we have weeks here. These are weeks. Now this is a zone, right? And you can see we have so many weeks here showing that the price is being rejected from this area. So I'm expecting the price to continue going up, all right? So I placed that trade because actually I saw this rejection. There are too many rejections here from the downside, which means there is a pressure pushing the market upwards. So that means the price should go up because the price is being rejected from this zone. So the price should start going up. That's why I placed that trade there. So These candlesticks are the ones giving me that information. They are telling me that the price is being rejected from this area. So the price should now continue going up since it is rejected from this area. So that's why I placed that trade. But this one is the zone now. This is the main zone, because you can see this is the wick, the lower wick here. So you make sure you cover the wick that is outside the zone. You don't do a zone like this. Okay, you don't leave wicks outside like this. You make sure you cover them, because that's the lowest point the price reached during that period. This is the lowest point, and this one as well. So you make sure you cover those wicks. All right, so we have won that trade, and now let's continue with analysis. So let's continue. So let's analyze it from the top. Here we have a zone, and here, let's see, we have something here as well. Yeah, so we have something there. All right, so that's a zone. You can see the wicks, and they are connecting. The wicks, and they are connecting. All right, so that's how to identify a zone correctly. All right, you just communicate. You just let the candlestick communicate with you. You just study the candlestick, and they will tell you something. If you're very keen, you'll understand what the candlestick is telling you. All right. Yeah, so now here we have another one. You can just do this. Okay, you just identify the zones so quickly by just looking at the chart and the candlestick behavior. So you see, I've covered these wicks here, and if I connect, you see it is connecting to that one. So that's a zone, right? That's a zone. Then we have another one here. All right. Okay, then we have another one here. This is a zone. All right, that's a zone. So when the market comes here, we are expecting a reaction. Okay, yeah, because that's a zone. All right. Yeah, so that's how you identify the zones in the market, guys. That's how you identify the zones in the market like a pro. So if you want to learn more, you can join our mentorship with the link in the description and learn how to trade like a pro with price action. All right. Yeah, so thanks for watching this video to the end. Let's meet in the next video.